Bakit? Saan galing to?
Happy birthday po!
Ay, thank you. Kanino galing to?
Araw na to ay araw mo, pagdating mo sa ating mundo.
Have a fabulous birthday, Mama! To me, you are the world's most loving mother. Happy birthday once again, and may the Lord let your heart always overflow with happiness.
Lahat ng bago sa araw
Wishing
na
the happiest and most amazing birthday to my wonderful mother,
Gusto si Kuya
who I consider to be the best mother in the world. From Kim, Joanne, and Rita. Happy birthday po!
Ay, thank you.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Mom!
Thank you.
Justin, pag siksik ko, bigyan mo na prayer and wish.
Ito, happy family.
Tulungan ka na, ma'am. Hawakan ko muna to. Sige po, ma'am. Or your hand,
Sige, ipipinch ko na.
sige po. Happy birthday po! Okay lang, ma'am. Picturean kayo.
Okay.
Sige po. Miss Nika and si Sir Kim, no?
Siyempre, para surprise.
Sir Kim pala.
Thank you. Grabe ang emote. Thank you so much.
Opo. Happy birthday, ma'am. Opo. From A&D Flower Shop po. Stay safe and stay healthy po.
Sa araw